Is the game going? Just play along with it now, Thomas. Yeah, you just walk that way, Thomas. Just walk that way. You. Now it's going. Yeah, you walk that way, Thomas. You get away from me. Get away from me. Hello? Hello? Oh? Oh? Alright. I'm good? I'm good? I'm friend. I'm friend. I won't shoot, I promise. Okay. I'm on my knees. My hands are up. I just want to be friends. I just want to kill the terrorists. That's all I want to do.
Okay, well, we have an idea of who it is.
Okay. Oh, did he?
Yeah.
Oh, I think he went down that way.
I don't think he knew that the game didn't start and he just shot us.
Oh.
We were like, did the game start?
Oh shit, there's a guy in the helicopter. Is he friend?
I don't know.
Are you friend? Is he friend?
I don't know. He's waving at me. He's not shooting me.
Where'd the guy in all black go? I don't know where he went.
Shot me in the leg, man.
Oh, did he?
Yeah, he really shot him.
Alright. You don't like it? Oh shit, there's guys that way. Oh shit. Oh shit. I don't trust anyone. Yeah.
Hello.
Just start waving everyone. Hello.
Nice weather we're having. Nice weather we're having, right? Yeah. I think I heard someone over there.
Oh, was there?
I heard people.
Where is everyone else?
I heard gunfire.
Oh shit.
There are people shooting over here, Caleb. Guy in all black, with the hex patches on his back. Terrible.
Oh, I know who he is.
Yeah.
Okay, I know who you're
He's the
talking.
one who shot us.
Like I know those guys wearing like vests that are black. I'm like the all black. Alright. Where'd Caleb go? Oh, is he? Was anyone in there? Okay. Ah. Everyone's dead. There's a lot of people out. They started walking that way.
Look, guy right there.
Oh, is he? I don't know if he's friend or not. Oh, dude.
Gosh, get out of here.
Oh, who else is here? Oh, I see a guy in the chopper. I think that's one of them. He's sitting there, waiting. Yeah.
You see him? He's gonna kill me. Ah! No! I should have shot his neck. Damn it!
Shh. Oh, friendly? Friendly? Okay. I'm walking away. I'm walking away. I'm sorry, just hold on. Hold on. Hold on. I'm on my knees. Hands are up. Okay. I'm okay. I'm trusty. I promise. I'm gonna go this way, okay? Just don't shoot me, alright? I heard a murderer say that he was out that way. He hasn't? Just walk in, okay? Friends, live long and prosper! I ran away and I started yelling! I'm right here. Yes! Okay. Alright, I'm sorry, I just don't like it banging my knee. That's all. I swear, I have an American flag on my helmet. It's an AK. I'm an imposter. Shh, shh. I don't know. I just know that there's some guy that was hiding out that way. I'm gonna back up. Hands are off my gun. I'm just backing away, that's all I'm doing. What? That's fine, that's fine. Ah. Right here. I'm right here. I was just walking this way. Okay. Terrorist! Shit. Guys, he's back this way. Yes, I just saw movement. I'm staying to your left. I'm not moving. I'm just going this way. Okay? I'm going to. I'm just keeping your distance. That's fine. That's fine. You shooting? Okay. Is he on the bus? Is he on the bus? Oh shit! Yeah, I see him. Yeah! No! No! Yes! Hey! That's game! I think so, at least. That was the last murder! I was the last murder! Ah! We won pretty much! Oh, I didn't hear you. I wasn't actually shooting at you. I was like, oh shit, is he actually in this thing? Dude, that was awesome. Literally, like, I got 3 guys with a knife.
Dude,